Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to The Future's Yours. This is a quick recap of my trades today, Monday, July 8th. So to start off the day, I'm trading the NQ E-mini futures. I trade on a 1-minute chart. When I first logged on, this is the 15-minute chart. This is what I was looking at right here at the end. It's about 6 o'clock. I got here about 6:20 to start looking. First thing I did was just mark up a few support and resistance zones based off the 15-minute. Here in the overnight session through Sunday, there was a clear resistance at the top here. It happens to be all-time highs. And the support down here, so we're stuck in this range through the whole overnight. And just looking back, I marked up a few more where price was reacting off of. Here there was a big resistance. I just didn't bring the box all the way back. This one down here, big zone that went all the way back. Just extend this so you could see what I was looking at there. So let's move down to the 1-minute chart, see the trades I took today. Right here at the open, 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I usually don't like trading the first few minutes because of high volatility, but today was a little different. It's just a few minutes in, we shot down pretty good. I think people thought that there was going to be a lot of downward movement, but it seemed to trap the sellers here, shoot up here, and grab liquidity at the top. So all these people that were going for the all-time high breakout, they got trapped, and you could kind of see it here with this little tweezer top. See if I could circle that for you. Right there, we had a little double top, broke out into new all-time high territory, immediately came back down. So I ended up entering right here, about a 50 tick stop, $250 risk on one contract, and within 2 minutes, hit my profit target 2-to-1 for $500. Good way to start. After that, we started moving up a little bit. I ended up trying to go short again here when I saw this candle breaking down below. I thought this bear flag was going to break to the bottom. Ended up getting stopped out pretty hard. In hindsight, at this point, I had already drawn this little trend line here, so I knew there was upward trend moving. I just got a little greedy. I should have waited for a candle to come down and close below that trend line, and then keep going before doing anything, such as over here. So that was a loss, $250. Ended up coming back, sweeping a new high up here, grabbing even more liquidity. So that was a good sign for me. I wanted to go short again, but I definitely wanted to wait a little bit for some confirmation and to break back below this resistance zone. I didn't want it to come here, tap it, turn to support, and shoot up. So I waited a little bit, saw it coming down, ended up entering here a little early. As you could see, it got really close to stopping me out right here. Within, what is that? 37, within 1 point. But luckily, came through here, news hit at 7 and just tanked. So from all the way up here, almost hitting my stop, down to my profit target was only 1 minute. That was a good move. Brought me up to plus 750 on the day, minus commissions. And I was gonna call it there, but I saw price move back up to this resistance, bouncing off again. Wanted to go short, got a little greedy, ended up entering early right here, got stopped out went for that liquidity grab again. Should have known because it already happened twice. And it ended up going down to where my target would have been if I had just waited a couple minutes for that liquidity grab, confirmation that it wanted to go low, even this retest right here. This would have been the perfect entry. But, you know, like they say in trading, hindsight's 20/20. We just go with the information we see on the screen and do the best we can based off of that. So overall, did 4 trades, 2 winners, 2 losers. The 2-to-1 risk reward ended up coming out up $500 minus commissions, so it came out to about $470, I think. Had a little bit of slippage on one of the stops, but overall a decent day. And see if we can keep doing that. I'll be back on again tomorrow. If you want to see all these trades live, go ahead and click on the video you see on your right. Stay safe, stay profitable, and the future's yours.